Beautiful Sunday morning here, and I'm here to address a dilemma. That dilemma being a Harley one. Recently acquired this 2015 Street Glide CVO. Love it. Only problem is it does not sound like a Harley because of the government and the EPA. Let's cold start this. Does sound good, but that is a Harley stock exhaust. Or Screaming Eagle exhaust. However, old school Road King over here. Also CVO. This is what a Harley should sound like. Right? Love it. Anyway, the remedy has been ordered, is on the way, and we'll cover getting that installed. I'm a big proponent of, unlike children who should be seen and not heard, exhaust should be seen and heard. Daughter's truck. My truck. Trust me, you can hear it. Not my truck in front of my house. Neighbor's truck. So anyway, team plays today, by the way. Go Knowles. My garage alarm went off because Santa just dropped by in his big brown truck. Yes. Oh yes. Daddy's a happy camper. I gotta finish this little project first and get it out of the way. So the purple people eater is off the stand and we're ready to get on this. I've been doing a little unboxing. Look at these massive slip-ons. Supposed to fill in that gap real well too right here. I am tempted to maybe put one on just to show a comparison. Here's the head pipes and these things. A cool sticker. Where should I put this? Maybe here. But get back to you when we get started. So I did go ahead and add the one slip-on just to see the difference. Huge difference here. So my helper out here tonight. Say hello, Maverick. And back at you later. So here's today's hot mess. Most of the parts are off. Issue with the stock right here in the middle. There's all this stuffing. It makes it run hot, not breathe well, all that fun stuff. So we're getting that off and getting the new stuff on. Yeah, that's a hammer on the floor. Don't judge me. So all done. Looks great. Put it back together, cleaned up. New head pipes. 50 cows. And let's hear it. Everything's on and working. This is not really a how-to video, it's more of a review video. There are some good how-to videos on, I know Professional Monkey has a couple, and Van Black has a couple, which is where I got this seat. And Van Black as well as the liners. I'll post a link below for those. I do have a couple of recommendations. If you have blue Loctite, of course, if you're doing anything on a Harley, you should have that. Also, when you install everything, keep everything just loose until everything's on, and then tighten everything up at once. One issue I did have is this bike sits kind of low. Coming on my driveway, and any speed bump, it was dragging on the bottom. So I tightened up the shocks that are on it, which the stock Harley exhaust. I'm considering putting 13-inch shocks on it, which is what I did on the Road King. One made it ride better, does sit it up a little bit more, which is fine because I ride a lot in the North Georgia mountains, so it does lean a lot. And so that's probably my next project on this one, is putting some 13-inch. Progress is what I put on the Road King, so I'm either torn between that or some Legends on this one, not sure which yet.